In today's fast-moving digital world, legacy systems can be a real barrier. One of our clients, a leading global trade show and exhibitions company, knew it was time for change. Their manual system was slowing them down. We stepped in with a modern solution, delivered 40% faster and at 30% less cost. The existing monolithic and point-to-point integrations created a rigid, complex environment that was difficult to scale or adapt. Teams spent hours managing file transfers, reprocessing errors, and scheduling jobs. There was no real-time monitoring, no automation, and limited scalability. The goal was clear: modernize 100+ integrations into a cloud-native, API-first architecture, one that's scalable, secure, and built for the future. Using Microsoft Azure Integration Services, we designed a hybrid architecture combining APIs, file flows, and event-driven processing. Our team built reusable templates for APIs, logging, and automation. Deployments were automated through Azure DevOps CI/CD pipelines. And real-time observability came to life with Azure Monitor and Log Analytics. The result? Over 100 legacy integrations modernized into a future-ready architecture. Integration delivery accelerated by reusable components, stronger governance, improved security, and reduced manual intervention with real-time monitoring. What was once slow and fragmented is now fast, automated, and connected, powered by Azure. This transformation unlocked scalability, agility, and innovation across the enterprise. Ready to modernize your integrations with JBS? Let's build your digital future together.